New tonight, the prosecutor in the Delphi murders case is withdrawing his motion for Richard Allen's prison mental health records.
All of this comes just a day after we reported that his motion contained information about the defense case that was supposed to be private.
Rich Nye joins us back live in studio tonight with a quick reversal by the prosecutor and his explanation about this to the court. Rich?
Yeah, I just wish all this legal stuff was as quick to explain. Carroll County Prosecutor Nicholas McLeland referred to a psychologist the defense wanted to hire to evaluate Richard Allen. But that information was in an ex parte motion that was supposed to be only for the eyes of the judge to approve funding. McLeland says he did not know that the motion was private, that is. In fact, he says in his motion to withdraw that he also had access to 3 previous ex parte motions, and the latest filed February 26 looked just like the others. He says the defense should have filed the motion appropriately to be sealed. But several legal experts I talked to today said the prosecutor had an ethical duty to recognize those documents were not for him to see, and he should not have accessed them.
His defense that he just looking at a bunch of papers and not paying attention isn't terribly impressive, as an objective observer from outside. That's my reaction to it.
Retired trial attorney Jim Brosnahan expects the defense to follow up with motions to the court to ask the court to have some kind of sanctions against the prosecutor. The next court date is March 18th, and that's for a hearing for the defense to answer to contempt charges.
All right, Rich, and so many twists and turns in this case, and it's a lot to follow. If you would like to see this case from the beginning, we've been covering it. You can see a timeline of events at WTHR.com/Delphi, or to get there more quickly, you can just scan this QR code here on your screen, and that will get you to our coverage more quickly.
Still